Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a Worth the Hype on the Kat Von D Satan Sinner palette. I've had this now for a number of weeks and I think I have a pretty thorough review to give to you guys. Alright, so first off, here is what the packaging looks like, and it opens up really cool. It's got these two little doors here, and then it's got the mirrors on the side. I will say this packaging is kind of bulky and kind of odd shaped, so it's kind of hard to store it. That is one thing. However, I personally am loving this palette. We're going to get right into it. This is going to be a quick one. I absolutely love this. This is your Saint side over here. This is your Sinner. I know some people look at this and they think, oh, this is a lot to take in, and a lot of people said they didn't like it. My suggestion would be maybe like looking at it like, here's this one side, or you know what I mean? Or maybe closing it this way, seeing this side. I think it's these bright colors down here that maybe like concern people. I don't know. I've used almost every shade, except I haven't used this shade here and this purple. I used every other shade except the purple and then this green here. I will use them though. I personally love how Kat Von D does eyeshadow. I love it. I'm turning into a humongous Kat Von D fan. I am just loving her makeup. I've been so far trying out her foundation. A review will be coming out doing a whole face of pretty much Kat Von D products, so please keep an eye out for that. That'll be out probably within a few weeks. Still just testing just a few things to make sure I got my opinions right where they need to be. But guys, I love this. I think this is stunning. I think it's so beautiful. If you guys don't know, I kind of like how like her packaging is more dark and kind of like, I don't know, almost like in a way kind of like gothic. I think it's so beautiful. She spends so much time on the details and I personally think it's stunning. These shadows are beautiful. I don't really use these mirrors, to be quite honest, just because they're kind of weird. I just use my own mirror, but these shadows are beautiful. The mattes blend beautifully. The shimmers are super pigmented. There's a few that can need a little help at Fix Plus. If you really want them to pop a lot, you can totally make them pop more with the Fix Plus. But you got like glitter shades, you got satin and shimmers and mattes and just a variety of finishes, and I honestly think this is stunning. I've gotten so many looks out of this. Several of the looks that you guys saw in my like recent videos, minus this one. This is the chocolate gold bar I have in my eyes today. Or like in a lot of my recent videos, it's been this or the metal matte or the Huda, but a lot of them where you guys asked, it was this. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, probably one of my favorite picks, honestly, for Christmas and holiday has been this palette. I'm so happy to get it. I'm going to use this a lot. I'm going to be doing some tutorials with this, so get ready. This is definitely going to be coming out. I think I might do like a Saint one and a Sinner one, and maybe like do like half and half or something. I don't know, something fun, a little bit more creative. Let me know your thoughts down below, but totally love this so far. I think it's beautiful, and I personally find it worth the hype. If they still have it available, I would suggest picking it up. If you are interested and you like Kat Von D's formula and you like these shades, I will suggest picking it up. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.